I'm going to show you how to enable presenter view on Microsoft PowerPoint. I'm on the Windows desktop with the projector already plugged into the HDMI port. Press the Windows key and the P key at the same time, and the display panel slides in from the right edge of the screen. Choose Extend, not Duplicate. Extend gives PowerPoint two separate displays to work with, and that's the whole reason presenter view can keep your notes private. Duplicate would mirror the notes right onto the projector. Now open the presentation file. I'm double-clicking the sales deck on the desktop, and PowerPoint opens it in normal editing view. You should see all the slides lined up down the left side, with the current slide in the middle. Go up to the Slideshow tab in the ribbon at the top. The presenter view controls are in the Monitors section on the right side of that tab, not under the View tab where people look first. Tick the checkbox labeled Use Presenter View. If the box is grayed out, Windows hasn't detected the second display. Press Windows and P again and confirm Extend is still selected before you move on. Now look directly below the checkbox at the monitor dropdown. It usually says Automatic. Automatic gets it right most of the time, but I don't trust it before a live presentation. Open that dropdown and choose the display your audience will actually see. I'm picking Monitor 2 because that's the projector. Once it's set, PowerPoint locks the slideshow to that screen instead of guessing. Now start the show. Click from Beginning on the far left of the Slideshow tab. You can also press Alt plus F5 or Option plus F5 on a Mac, or use the small slideshow icon in the bottom right corner of the PowerPoint window. The show launches. On your laptop, you get presenter view with the current slide on the right, speaker notes below it, and the next slide on the left, plus a timer at the top. The audience screen gets only the current slide full screen, nothing else. If the screens are on the wrong monitors once the show starts, don't close it. Move the mouse to the top edge of presenter view and click Display Settings. Choose Swap Presenter View and Slideshow. That flips the two screens in place. When you're done, press Escape to end just the slideshow. PowerPoint drops you back into the deck with presenter view closed so you can tweak a slide and run it again. I always press the right arrow once to test the monitor handoff because the monitor assignment is the one thing that goes sideways when you rush it. If this got you running, leave a like, subscribe, and drop a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same fix.